So today is the day I replace the acrylic glass, aka plexi glass on the boat. It's about this glass. It's about 20 years old, so it's time to take it out, clean it, and put a new bed of caulking material and seal it as well. So that's today's project. So what I've done here is I taped duct tape, a pours man solution all around the glass to prevent water from coming in while I work on getting the repair parts I need. The duct tape did prevent water from coming in, but it was not a permanent solution. So the thing to do next after taking the duct tape off is to grab a flat tool, like a painter tool, and chip away at all the old caulking till it comes out. Eventually you can push the window from the inside and it pops out. Of course, being careful not to damage the window in the process. There is no one way of doing this. It's a messy process, and the window here, the caulking looks like it's in good shape, but it's actually leaking from the inside. Galo, what are we doing? ¿Qué haces ahora?
Ahora estamos retirando toda la silicona para después poder lijar, pasar acetona, limpiar y poner de vuelta silicona y volver a poner la ventana bien sellada sin que entre nada de agüita.
Exactamente.
El agua la queremos afuera.
Gala had this great idea to put these in to prevent all the gel from the caulking from going inside the boat.
Hey Almori, what are you doing?
Sanding all the area up. We did it with 80 paper grit, and then we're gonna do it with 220. Then we're gonna clean it with acetone, and yeah, hope we did a good job.
Yeah, man, of course.
That's it, brother. At this point, we had used a flat tool and any other tool I can get my hand on to remove the old caulking. I sanded the area with grit paper 60 first, then with 120 to give it a smooth finish. Clean the area with water, then let it dry and apply a thin coat of acetone, and we let it dry for a few hours. So I placed the window back into its place. I use masking tape to hold it in position while I mark the inside of the window with masking tape as well. This is just to give me the area where I'm supposed to apply the caulking. The window was held from the outside by my friend while I went inside the boat and used the blue painter tape to mark the edges of the window so I can have an outline to where to place the caulking on the outside. The red tape I placed around the window is VHF tape. It's made by 3M. It's a high-strength, double-sided acrylic adhesive tape. It's sensitive to pressure, so it creates an instant bond without drying time required to hold the window in place while the caulking is drying. Applying the caulking all around the window. It looks a little bit like a monster because our caulking gun was really lousy, but I think it'll be dry. It'll keep the boat dry, and we'll just clean up all the caulking tomorrow. Thank you, Gallo.
Yeah, man, we are so tired.
Thank you, Captain Amori.
Thank you, Captain Amori.
So this is the window after 2 days of curing and cleaning, and this is the marks of me cleaning the caulking of the window to give it that nice even finish. In hindsight, I should have been more careful placing the caulking, not to let it come out on the outside. It was a lot of work to clean it on the outside to give it the smooth finish.